Adverb. Let us learn about an adverb. We use a word called adverb which describes or modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. For example, I dreamt about it last night. Adverb: last night. Verb: dreamt. The monster was very ugly. Adverb: very. Adjective: ugly. The patient collapsed quite suddenly. Adverb: suddenly. Adverb: quite. Let us know how to form adverbs. We use adverbs that form from nouns, adjectives, and verbs. Most of the adverbs are formed from adjectives in the following ways: by adding ly or ally to the end of an adjective. For example, quick, quickly; heroic, heroically. By adding ly after removing the last e from an adjective. For example, comfortable, comfortably; possible, possibly. By dropping the last y from an adjective and replacing it with ily. For example, easy, easily; happy, happily. Let us learn the types of adverbs. We have divided the adverbs into 5 types. They are adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, adverbs of degree, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of time. Adverb of time tells us when something is done or happens. Adverbs of time include afterwards, already, always, immediately, last month, now, soon, then, and yesterday. For example, last week we were stuck in the lift for an hour. Adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tells us where something is done or happens. Adverb of place include words such as above, below, here, outside, over, there, under, upstairs. Example: we can stop here for lunch. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner tells us how something is done or happens. Most adverbs of manner end in ly, such as badly, happily, sadly, slowly, quickly, and others that include well, hard, fast, etc. For example, the brothers were badly injured in the accident. Adverbs of degree. Adverb of degree tells us the level or extent that something is done or happens. Words of adverb of degree are almost, much, nearly, quite, really, so, to, very, etc. Example: it was too dark for us to find our way out of the cave. Adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency tells us how often something is done or happens. Words used as adverbs of frequency include again, almost, always, ever, frequently, generally, hardly ever, nearly, always, never, occasionally. For example, they are almost 50 years of age. Let us know the degree of adverbs. We have 3 degrees of comparison in adverbs. They are known as the positive, comparative, and the superlative. We find the adverbs form their comparatives and superlatives using er and est and more and most. The one-syllable adverbs use er in the comparative form and est in the superlative form. Positive, comparative, superlative. Early, earlier, earliest. Fast, faster, fastest. Hard, harder, hardest. High, higher, highest. Late, later, latest. Loud, louder, loudest. Near, nearer, nearest. Soon, sooner, soonest. We find some of the adverbs which end in ly or have 3 or more syllables each form the comparative with more and the superlative with most. Positive, comparative, superlative. Angrily, more angrily, most angrily. Brightly, more brightly, most brightly. Dimly, more dimly, most dimly. Freely, more freely, most freely. Gladly, more gladly, most gladly. Heavily, more heavily, most heavily. Loudly, more loudly, most loudly. Quietly, more quietly, most quietly. Sweetly, more sweetly, most sweetly. Terribly, more terribly, most terribly. We find some of the adverbs form the comparative and the superlative irregularly. Positive, comparative, superlative. Badly, worse than, worse the. Far, farther, farthest. Little, less, least. Much or many, more, most. Well, better, best.